Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Ramirez and I'm the treasurer of the Student Assembly. And one of the biggest reasons why I joined the Assembly was because I'm a big believer in communication. I like building relationships, getting to know other people, and I believe that type of transparency is something that an Assembly needs. But also more than that, right before coming into Hamilton, I learned that a big portion of communicating was listening to other people. And in doing that, I kind of thought I could practice what I preached by joining the Assembly. And so, yeah.
Hi, my name is Omar Lopez, and I'm a treasurer for the class of 2023 and a computer science and economics double major. The reason that I joined Student Assembly is because I wanted to have a greater connection with the student body as well as work alongside organizations and clubs to help them receive their funding.
My name is Jean, and I'm a senior class representative, and I've been on Student Assembly for the past 3 years. The reason I joined SA is because of the people and the work. I really love the friends and mentors that I met along the way, and I really love how we work with other student leaders to make a change on campus.
Hey, my name's Dylan, and I'm one of your student representatives for the class of 2022. I joined Student Assembly not only so I could help and serve our community, but because I really wanted to learn how Student Assembly operates and functions. And this summer I've gotten to do that through my work in the Constitution Committee, where we've been streamlining and editing the funding codes to try to make them more accessible for clubs and student organizations.
Hi guys, my name is Tayden and I am the president of the class of 2022. And one of the reasons why I joined Student Assembly was I wanted to be a part of a group where I could express the opinions that I was hearing from students every day and be in contact with administration to provide those students answers to any questions they had. I'll see you on campus soon. Bye.